footwear industry promotion centers in Busan. Actually, now this center may be the only few excellent centers in Asia. Before, Taiwan has one, but because most of the Taiwanese company moved to China, so there is almost no promotion center now, okay, in Taiwan. Okay. And he graduated from the Busan National University, okay, and also Busan now is called the shoe industry, shoe cities, because you can find out many famous products, Adidas, Nike, and so on. So many products now have their design centers, okay, in Busan areas. I went there last year, okay, and I found out it's kind of totally different. Also, I had to point out one thing is, I talked to Dr. Park, okay, part of the reason I host this conference, because he mentioned last year, okay, in the early yesterday, so many name brands actually is manufacturing either in China, Taiwan, the islands, Indonesia. But why we also have very good design, but the biomechanics should get together. I'm quite surprised. Yesterday we have so many excellent papers presented, and I believe today we have even more. So I encourage, if you are presenters today, you better have your presentation in English. So I believe, okay, all the our Korean friends will understand your topics. Okay. So I have already took 7 minutes. So let's welcome Dr. Chong-Bum Park.
Good morning, everyone. To Taiwan, it's the 4th time. First 2003, 2005, 2007, and now this year. And then, so relatively speaking, it's the first in Thailand because several times just meeting and survey and something. And this morning is a way to introduce the Korea food industry, and you put your research and development using biomechanics. So everybody is biomechanics in here, you're professional. But relative is company's view a little bit different. And so I will introduce very easily. And so we do company's view, researchers' view, and all together. I'm in Korea, and so in here is several countries researchers. And as you know, it's Busan is a city from all over the world, like Daejeon in Taiwan. And so last year is when I invited Sai Yang, and so I remember Sai Yang is the first time is 2005 in Cleveland, Climbed in USA. With the FDG conference. At the time is we're thinking about several things with Asian Purdue biomechanics. And so last year, and I invited Sai Yang to Korea, and then we talked to several things relatively Asian FDG. And so this morning he organized this conference. I think it's a first, and then so we gotta have an opportunity to be challenged. Yeah. Now it's Saturday morning, and everybody is a little bit relaxed, please. In 1997, and some I remember is my graduate student in my university in biomechanics, and so at the time is I met Dr. Maria Bolton of the laboratory in NSRI. And so at the time I appeared to get computing to my future. And so until now it's 10 years. I talked with Dr. Maria Bolton, and so I listed some several important comments. 10 years later is everything is changed. Maria Bolton also changed, me also changed. in Nike. And so Nike is the biggest sports good company, and then also in brand. And also to Calgary, and so every year I visited, and so also we gotta have international cooperation with Calgary HPM. And then also Dr. Benoni and Dr. Del Stefanici. And so since 2005, we gotta have international cooperation with Calgary HPM. And so every year, approximately 3 times, that was visited to our center in Korea, and then he comment, and so he support each other. This morning is will introduce the 4 different things, and the Korea food industry, Korea brand, and the KHPM product in Korea, and the product direction and summary. In here is right side is international sport brand. Everything is shoe brand also. And left side is including Asia sport brand, Li-Ning, Asia regional, and so some of it's Korea domestic and the international brand. Fila now is a Korea brand, and several years ago, Fila Korea they bought this Fila international brand. And so we have to think about why is we started to put biomechanics to shoe company. And then shoe companies be thinking about sometimes what is footwear biomechanics to develop our shoes? What is your benefit? What is your point to our research? And then so sometimes this research is based research to research, you know. It's a very big problem. And then so one of it is big shoe companies, the CEOs, they didn't believe footwear biomechanics because company is company, you know. Our role is research in the university or in the institute. And then so whenever we gotta have this company's product, we have to thinking about how can I help you grow usefully. But commonly, research is research. It's a problem until now. And then so in Korea, so is many companies, approximately over 2,000 companies, especially 60% located in Busan, especially, and Legato, Fila, Praxton, Fosplex, and the Koro. This Korea domestic sport brand headquarters located in Busan. And there's a marketing idea is Seoul and or another outside. But every research and development doing in Busan. And then so Korea government they thinking about how support this company. And then so especially Korea food industry they got is a big challenge. And then so on turning point is 2000, and the before 2000 is mostly the OEM and ODM companies is business doing very well, but its paradigm is changed, and then so also I think it's China and Taiwan is a little bit the same situation, and then so market is changed to brand, and then so market oriented, and then high value-added business, small quantity, and then so it's a problem. And then so now is they change to business and the brand, and then specializes some very typical function. And then so before it's OEM and ODM business, they don't need the biomechanics. Just production is very highly, but it's now it's relative to brand. They have to thinking about what is this biomechanics, how is we have a high performance shoes, and then so 5 different Korean companies. First is manufacturing dealers of the world top, and then so rival Taiwan and China. Also, secondary is the World Shoe Network should develop the legal. You know, it's MBTech, Masai Web Technology, first developed in 1999 with Dr. Carl Miller. And then so, firstly, in the globalization of Korean brand, because now it's a Korean company, they buy international brand like Pila. And then so last year, we bought Head brand also. And then so, customers, they just know brand, but brand is just brand. And then so they are thinking about it's better to buy big brand. And then so relative to North Korea, many Korean shoe company, they development location to change it to North Korea. Now in North Korea, we have over 25 manufacturing based. And then we know that North Korea is very dangerous area, but it's common, it's no problem. Also me, over 20 times I visited North Korea. And then so whenever I visit North Korea, it's no problem generally. But the newspaper is every time it's dangerous. But for me, it's very comfortably, very comfortably. I visited North Korea with the visa because it's a foreign country. And then so also the capital of North Korea is there is over 100 shoe manufacturing company. Also, it's a big team. And it's operating very well. And I believe in future, North Korea will be a big location there. And then so, this data is manufacturing base is very not trained, And then, but wholesale retail is getting growing and growing. And then so manufacturing is just a so-so. It means companies, business concept is changing, and they thinking about the wholesale and retail and brand. It's very important for biomechanics because to the branding that we have to support how is using human performance and human food and lower extremity and then sports engineering, biomechanics. We know the very key point. And then so we is growing very quickly with the brand. But the manufacturing is just a so-so. I think it's in future it's like a same. And but the branding is very, very quickly. Last year, over there, this year. And then also companies, this is OEM. It's a very big company. Like I remember that in China it's Pouchan. Pouchan is a very big company and also very big global brand, Timberland, Nike. But in Korea is Nike OEM manufacturing. It's just a little bit. It's the same. But the brand companies every year is very quickly growing.
So all these are Korean company, or is?
Yeah, right. Yeah. And then also market is situation change. Big opportunities that start in 1999. It's Masai working is at first started. It's Ambeter's the CEO is Carl Miller. Carl Miller's wife is a Korean girl, and then so he started developing in Busan project, and then this big item is got a good opportunity, good success, and then so now all countries or all companies they developed working shoes. I remember the Taiwan and China, Hong Kong, Japan, every country in Asia, they developed and they sell the working shoes like this one. appearance is a little bit similar, but